Whoa! Hey guys, how's it going? I hope your Tuesday is going well. So I have Toothless out here with me today because I got a request yesterday that he needed to join us for a video. So I have my beautiful, feisty, little bearded dragon, he's so cute, hanging out with me today for our video. Yo, what's up, Toothless? Alright, hey guys, so it's pretty sunny out here, but I'm going to take these off. So, I have an MCA chargeback loophole that I need to tell you about, alright? It has to do with people not actually canceling their membership. Anytime you receive some sort of commission that is advanced, you do run some sort of risk for having to repay that when somebody cancels before the policy was finished. So, I mean, this happens with insurance. If somebody buys a 2-year policy and then they cancel it, that money that was not paid back for that policy, you technically owe that. Luckily with MCA, the way that they do it is very simple, and they don't overdo it. They don't, hassle you for money. They don't take it out of your bank account. They simply just take a 50% or less percentage of the sales that you make for that week to cover whatever advance commissions you were paid that got canceled before they were given back to the company. So, chargebacks are not a big deal. It's just something involved with business, okay? But here's a really awesome tip that you need to know. It only happens if somebody cancels their membership, okay? You will not receive a chargeback if the person doesn't cancel, okay? So what that means is if somebody doesn't fulfill their payment for the month, whatever reason, maybe they just didn't have enough for their $20 membership for that month, they don't cancel, they're just not in good standing, their account is not in good standing, and what that means is that they just don't have their benefits for that month, which also sucks, okay? You don't want to be without your benefit coverage because that's when things happen. Things happen when, you least expect them. And that's fine. As soon as they can get their payment under control and get their account back into good standing, they have their benefits back in full, okay? They're back and they're active, but that does not trigger any sort of chargeback for you. As long as the person does not actually cancel, there is no chargeback. So if for some reason they couldn't pay their monthly fee for their services, you wouldn't have to worry about it, okay? It's just a matter of them putting their account into good standing by fixing their payment method so that they can have their services active again. But when it comes to you, that does not affect you at all. And for the longest time, I thought it did, because I thought it was like an automatic cancel, but that's not what it is. So it's really nice that is a tip that you should know, and that is what you can also tell people if people are nervous about, whether they can keep the monthly payment. Maybe they're an associate and they're a little bit nervous about keeping up with the monthly payment. Just tell them it's not a big deal. It's okay if they fall back on one payment or something like that. Their account will just be, stagnant, and all they need to do is fix their payment method when they can, and then their benefits will be active again. And they can always promote, because as an associate, it's free. It's free to be an affiliate. So, there's my tip for you guys today. And Toothless is still on me. I'm surprised he's still on me. Anyway, enjoy your Tuesday, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Let me know you like this content, because I'm going to keep putting it out for you guys. And keep learning about our awesome company, just so that you guys can know about it too. Alright. And hey, of course, if you're not an MCA member, check out that website down below in the description and get on it. Get your benefits. Get covered. See you guys.